Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. Today I'll tell you some refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Purple Sea Mocktail. How to make that mocktail? First of all, take a tall glass and you have to add some ice cube into the tall glass. Then you have to squeeze some lime juice. Just squeeze 2 lime wedges. After that, you have to pour 30 ml of black currant crush. You have to pour just pour 30 ml of black currant crush. Then you have to fill the glass with a little bit of Sprite and soda. The refreshment mocktail. Then you have to stir all the ingredients. Then you have to fill the glass with limca. Now the purple color came. The mocktail name is Purple Sea Mocktail. Okay. Then just serve with one straw and garnish with lime slices and see, your mocktail is ready. Purple Sea Mocktail is ready. Okay, it's a very fancy mocktail. You can try. Okay, this mocktail actually with the combination of soda, Sprite and black currant crush and limca lemon juice. Very fancy mocktail, actually you can try. Purple Sea Mocktail. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.